a vocational school located in Lipizzaner country. What could be more natural than to thoroughly explore the topic of equine management? But at Maria Lenkowitz Vocational School, Lipizzaners are mentioned much more often.
Landward.com, the online marketplace for agriculture.
Here at the school, we have 101 students in the 3 grades. The main focuses at our school are, on the one hand, health and social studies. And as part of this focus area, there is the opportunity to complete a mandatory internship. Additionally, there is also the option to take the vocational qualification exam or to switch to nursing assistants. Our school has a very close cooperation with the Lipizzaner Homeland Tourism region. And this is reflected in the fact that we support many events that take place in the Lipizzaner Homeland region. For example, at our school we have the Lipizzaner-Dirndl, which is sewn here, and the Lipizzaner Homeland Strudel, which is prepared in the kitchen.
The Lipizzaner Homeland Strudel was actually created by our school. The pumpkin seed oil in the dough represents the green meadows on the pastures. The filling is made of dark poppy seeds, which are meant to symbolize the dark, young Lipizzaner foals. And the other part of the filling is made of curd cheese, which stands for the white Lipizzaner horses.
At our school, we sew our own Lipizzaner-Dirndls. And it's called Lipizzaner-Dirndl because the Lipizzaner-Dirndl reflects the colors of the Lipizzaner homeland. A noble forest for the Lipizzaner born nearby in rich green meadows and pastures where they spend the year outdoors. And gray symbolizes the foals.
The special thing about our school has been for about 1 year now, since last school year, that the students have the opportunity to do training in the field of equine management. However, this is just the foundation for this equine management training. Once you've built that foundation, all doors open for you to become an equine manager. There is now the possibility, and we also have close cooperation with BIBA, to do internships at BIBA as well. The other internships mainly focus on riding, which happens at Grottenhof.
Lenkowitz Vocational School now has an equine management branch. And I chose it because I've been riding for a long time. And I really like it because we do everything from horse care to riding to lunging, and we also learn all of it. And we also get to work with the Lipizzaners, and that's a lot of fun. And that's simply a basic requirement, even a little bit, for becoming a horse manager. And I would do the 4th school year as well so that I can take the final exams afterwards. And I would like to study teaching so that I could maybe start as a teacher at the Lenkowitz Vocational School. Because I really like it at the school. The teachers are all very nice and it's always just so varied.